Good morning, beautiful people. It's time to remind you of the existence of the beautiful neti pot. So spring is around the corner, and along with spring, beautiful cherry blossom and loads of pollen. So I got hit 2 years ago, and it hit me really badly because my nose is running, my eyes are itching, and the worst of everything is that my beautiful skin is getting all full with red tiny spots. So there is nothing really that can naturally prevent it from happening. But what you can do, you can support this horrible time by using your neti pot, and I will demonstrate you how to do this. So the first thing you need is to boil water, and then you let your water cool down to room temperature or body temperature basically. So it shouldn't be too hot, and it certainly should not be too cold, because that will hurt you so much that most likely you are never going to do the neti pot again. Now, if you board the neti pot, it usually arrives the first time with the salt. Now, the salt is nice to have, but you don't necessarily need it. If you do using it, I recommend less than a quarter teaspoon, maybe just a little pinch for the first time. And I already prepared mine, so mine is the perfect temperature. Now let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate you how I'm doing this. So first of all, if you have long hair, take your hair back and make sure it has the right temperature. And I like to do it standing over my sink, and I'm keeping my mouth slightly open. That prevents me to swallow it, yeah? So you want to have the nozzle to go in to your right nostril first and then out through the left nostril. Okay, let's start. Okay. And it immediately removes everything that is stuck there. Now let's do the other side. Now be aware that your nostrils at times are less open. So for example, when we perform the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama in yoga, we opening the left and the right nostril, and sometimes one or the other may be blocked. Don't panic. Then let's just keep on with the other nostril and skip the one that is too blocked, or you just take your time. So you bend slightly your knees, open your lips gently, and then tilt your head over to your right. And there it goes. Okay, yeah, can definitely feel the opening of the nostrils. Actually, I'm starting to cry now. My water actually did almost run a little bit too cold, so I'm going to fill it up again with a bit warmer water. What happens is that if you do use antihistamine, so this is something my husband brought home last year, and of course when I'm outside, I'm honest, sometimes I have no choice, so then I'm just going sip one or the other, and it at least helps to prevent my eyes to pop out and my entire face to swell. But in the morning before you leave your house, and in the evening before you go to bed, throughout that period of about 2 months, I highly recommend to cultivate the neti pot. Yeah, that's better. So with the right temperature, which is body temperature, you actually can perform that whole thing effortless. when you go outside, obviously you're starting to inhale everything, including the pollen, and that is usually what sets off all kind of red spots. So when I opened up my window this morning, or all the windows around the house, to breathe in fresh air, I wasn't aware, but then I came to the bathroom and my entire left side was basically full of little spots. Okay, there's no reason to panic. You just have your cold shower, and then perform your neti pot, and then the only thing that actually really helps is the Japanese mask. So I know it looks silly, and I know maybe people around the world think, oh my god, these Japanese, what's wrong with them? But actually, after being here for over 20 years, I truly appreciate the existence of the mask, because it really prevents you from inhaling, okay, from inhaling the dust. Once you arrive at your destination, you take off your mask, and you're more likely to actually feel happy because your eyes are less itchy, your skin still looks nice. And again, do remember that there is something so super simple. It's a little pot, and you just need clear water, and I think it may be the solution to less medication. I wish you a beautiful day, and I see you very soon. Thank you for watching.